Once upon a time, in a vibrant little village nestled between lush green hills and the shimmering Caribbean Sea, lived a young woman named Geraldine. She was known all around for her radiant smile, warm heart, and her love for dancing to the reggae beats that filled the air every evening. Geraldine's days were filled with tending to her small but lively garden, where she grew the sweetest mangoes and fragrant jasmine flowers. One sunny afternoon, as she was walking along the beach, she saw a young man named Jermaine sitting under a coconut tree, strumming his guitar and humming a melody. His eyes sparkled with kindness, and his smile was as bright as the Caribbean sun. Geraldine felt her heart flutter, and her stomach felt butterflies. Jermaine looked up and saw her approaching. "Greetings, beautiful soul," he said softly, his voice like a gentle wave. "Would you like to hear a song I just wrote?" Geraldine nodded eagerly, her cheeks glowing with happiness. As Jermaine played, his voice blended perfectly with the ocean breeze, and Geraldine couldn't help but dance, her spirit lifted by the melody. From that day, they became inseparable. They spent their days exploring the vibrant markets, sharing sweet coconut water and spicy Jamaican food, laughing under the stars. Jermaine's music and Geraldine's joyful spirit created a harmony that made everyone around them smile, as their love shined like a warm Jamaican sunset, bright, beautiful, and full of promise. And so, in that little village by the sea, Geraldine and Jermaine's love blossomed like the fragrant flowers in her garden, filling their lives with happiness, rhythm, and the everlasting sunshine of their hearts.